Google Business View is powered by the Street View technology in Google Maps. It allows the user to walk around a 3D photographic tour of a location, almost as if they were really there, and it works on mobile, tablet and desktop, and even in the car. Business View shows up in Google Search, in Google Maps, as well as on the business's Google Plus page, and you can even put it on your website or in an app. As a user, you'll see the See Inside thumbnail whenever a Business View tour is available for a particular listing. When using Google Maps, you can also click on the Pegman to reveal locations on the map that have Business View tours available. Click on one of the orange dots and you'll be taken to that location's Business View. If you don't see the orange dots, there are either no Business View tours in that area, or you may need to zoom further in before they become visible. You'll need to be zoomed in at least close enough to see the street numbers of individual buildings. The images are high resolution, so the viewer can zoom right in and see the detail of a product or read a menu or sign. In fact, they're much higher resolution than this video. Besides the special panoramic photos used for your Business View tour, your photo shoot also includes 10 regular photos of things like your shop front, signage, business cards, menus or price boards, and other points of interest for your customers, which will accompany your Business View tour and are yours to keep and use however you like. So what are you waiting for? Get onto Google Business View today and reap all the benefits that come with having a 3D photographic panoramic tour of your business. If you're in Sydney, we here at Excelsior Media can organise your photo shoot and assist you with any questions you might have. If you're in another country or region, you can still visit our website and we'll point you in the right direction and help you get started with Google Business View today. Business View is available in some 30 countries, so chances are you can find a Google trusted photographer or agency in your area.